a light and sound demonstration for custom Warpath. There's a red LED in the barrel. The switch is back here on the right side of the turret as you're looking at it. Right here in the back where my finger is. It has 8 sounds that correspond, and the LED corresponds with the sounds. There you go. I'm going to do a quick transformation of them so you can see the telescoping turret and also the LED eyes. Give me a second here. Let me mention real quick, this is the battery pack right here. So it just pops off, and as you saw, there's 4 button cell batteries. We'll put those back in and transform them real fast. Basically, he's just like Brawl. He's got some new stuff going on. He pulls arms straight out. Totally out, straight up, totally out. The barrel, the turret, this top turret, you turn backwards. Let me get the camera a little better on there. Turn the turret backwards. Gently push his head up from underneath. The barrel collapses down from there. Let me get a better view of that. Let me turn back around and we spin these arm panels around so that these arms actually go to the outside. That one just popped off. They pop off occasionally, not too much. This one right here, let me get back in frame and do it a little better for you. You just rotate this around. And when it's around the arms are to the outside, you basically got that. And then you will do the legs just like regular Brawl. Fold it, new feet. Pull his legs out. Now, when you fold this down, it still does that auto morph deal, but then I just rotate those down. And then the last move is bringing the body up that way. And let me get him back up top here. Pan back a little. He just sits like, gets right on like that. Boom. Give me a second to load his battery pack back up and I'll give you the LEDs on this. As you see, I'm still tightening up my video skills here. But it'll give you something to look at in the future. Hopefully I can get a little tighter on these reviews. I have new respect for the guys that do those video reviews all the time. Alright, so we're going to bring them down here so you can see. Now the switch for his LEDs is on the opposite side of the turret, which turns his eyes on. Blinding, and as you can see they're very, very bright. And then so it's really cool. It gives a lot of variety, good options, a lot more value to it. Okay, enjoy. So you can see his